I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your American Express account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the American Express app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Sign in. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Look for the settings option. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the settings, find the security section. Toggle the option for biometric login to enable it. You may need to authenticate with your device's password or PIN first. Step 5. Test the feature. Log out of your account and try logging back and using your fingerprint or facial recognition. If it doesn't work, double check that your device supports biometric features. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of biometric login on your American Express account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!